We are on board Vision of the Seas, taking a 12-night Eastern Caribbean cruise. We are in Stateroom Ocean View Balcony 7548. As soon as you walk in the door, you have your closet here on the left. Very nice, lots of hangers. Plenty of space if you ask me. To your right, when you walk in, you have the bathroom. Bathroom's small, expected, but still very clean, very nice. Updated. Storage over here. Have the bed. It's like a king size bed, I think. Two twins pushed together or something like that. Maybe it's queen size, but it looks plenty big. Small end table. Nothing fancy, but it certainly will suit our needs. A little bit of storage right here. Nice sofa. I'm not sure if this opens up to a sofa bed, but it kind of looks like it. I haven't really tested it yet. We don't need it, it's just the two of us. Nice little table, TV. Safe is located right inside here. More storage. Refrigerator. Lots of drawers. Like I said, plenty of storage. That's all you need. Hair dryer. I think there might be more storage in here. Not really sure. Yeah, here we go. More storage. And that must be more storage over here. Okay, then the balcony. We're still in port. We're in Port of Baltimore. Balcony is nice size. It's all you need for two people. Just wait to set sail so we can say goodbye to Baltimore. And here's the room from the balcony looking in. Really, it's all the space you need for two people.